Now let us do the payroll configuration under personnel management, then personnel administration, then organizational data, then create payroll area. So the payroll data part comes under type 1 payroll area, so that you need to configure here. So first we'll take any payroll area, select, copy that payroll area, and this 2-character code and give any name. A checkbox given here is for payroll area which is used for payroll run, or if you're not selecting that, then you can make it or you can keep it unchecked. You save it. One transport request it will ask, you need to give that transport request and save that record. For the creation of another payroll area, you need to select the record and copy once again, change the name, and enter. Another payroll area again you can create by copying this payroll area. And create other payroll area. So how we are taking here is we are taking the locations as a payroll area. So in future or in our organization, maybe the location people are running the payroll and they are doing their individual things. So I have taken a location as a payroll area, and now we need to set the feature ABKRS for the setting of default payroll area in info type 1. So in this feature you need to give the default payroll area which is set for any employee during hiring. So this is the default program for return value given in otherwise. Okay. Now let's see the return value and the fields available for the decision. You can check location or personal area available. Select radio button field for decision operation if the field is available. Master data and transaction data. These things needs to be selected for employees actually. For applicant you need to take the applicant data. Under that master data you need to take the field for decision operation. Select and see company code, employee group, subgroup, grouping. Personnel sub area is not available here. Okay, so what you can do is go for the selection of personal sub area. You need to get it from the structure actually. First the default fields are set up here, active. Click save. Keep on saving what changes you are doing, so that is always good. And select the transport request. So what we'll do is we'll go to separate session and work for this feature, transaction code PE03, and give feature ABKRS. Go in attributes, click change, and click on the structure button. Okay, here you can see what fields are available should be checked, so that we are selecting personal area and personal sub area, and save this. So now this will be available, a field for selection there. Okay, now go into that master data and time data, click on create button, field for decision operation. Now you can see the fields, BTRTL is available here, works is available here. Yes, click on paste button. Otherwise default program will work if there is no decision operation available. Now all my locations are available here. I need to select all, and my locations are available here, and one by one default values can be set here. Give default payroll area location wise. So for SRM1 default payroll area is SM, and same is default for SRGM. So what you can do, you can just copy and paste it as a subordinate value for other location as well. And if it is different, you need to just click on that node and click on create button, click on radio button, return value. Return value and OK. So 2-digit or 2-character payroll area code transfer. Again for other location, another payroll area, give that payroll code default no value here. Likewise do it for other personal areas. Click on save, select, and give default program for if otherwise if there is no value available for other locations, whatever it may be, like that we select. program, then get program name. This is standard program selected here, so it returns value as a blank field. Cross check overall feature is saved now, and can cross check all is well. Click save. Again put transport request, and do not forget to activate the feature on this, clicking on this button, activate button. Now your feature is done. Go back to your existing screen. Create control record. This you can directly create, no problem. You also not required a set up organizational key. Organizational key is very important things for the keeping in mind authorization point of view. This is a VDSK1 feature. Then organization key control. So here how you can control is you want to make it default. So default values can be given as shown in the drop down of optional or with validation. So this can be set by default, and the creation rule also you can define how the organizational key is generated. So you can see what are the creation rules available here. So creation rule, sequence number, first field, and this becomes a combination of a couple of fields, like first you have taken works and second you have taken costal. So works is your personnel area and costal is cost center. So the rule is the combination of personnel area and cost center. So 4 is the length of personnel area is 4. So now I am changing it to ABKRS payroll area, and the length of payroll area is 2 here, and so payroll area wise cost organization key you can create. You do not need any other field, then you can keep only one. That's it. Payroll area will be your organizational key. Save the record, come back, and if you want validation, then you can set entries here. However, it is not required in our case. So that's it. In VDSK1 feature, you have seen the organizational key is set by default rule 01. Go to administrator group for feature pinch. Here you can see default values. Define administrators. 3 administrators are defined.